We're ready?
Yeah, we're on.
Hello, I'm here with my kickstand. Assistant Daniel Norton.
This is why I'm here, to make sure she doesn't fall over.
Yes, and we're about to take some glorious photos of the fabulous Mia Elledge. Oh, sorry, she can introduce herself.
She can't because she doesn't have a microphone.
Oh, Mia Elledge, a
That's
strong, independent woman.
You may have seen her before on such things as the last episode of Mentoring Marisa.
It is a totally different day. See, I have a jacket now.
That's right.
Daniel, well, I mean, he always wears that.
Just exactly the same in every video.
You're
so
like
you never
SpongeBob.
I have the SpongeBob of photography.
So we have here a beauty dish with a grid on it and a blue gel. And then we have here a Pro Photo, is this a B10?
Yep.
A Pro Photo B10 with a tungsten?
Grid and gel holder.
A grid and gel holder.
But it doesn't have any grids in it, it just has the gels.
No grid, just gels. So we're gonna give Mia this kind of cool night and day, warm and cool look. So, all right, did I do a good job?
Yeah, that was really good.
All right, so now we're gonna take the photo.
Right, so hold on, let me just look where you're at. All right, so we're in TTL right now. The beauty dish is set on exposure, and the second light is set to be a little bit underexposed. Part of that has to do with the gels. You know, the way TTL works and how it translates color and stuff, the blue gel sometimes really throws it off. So we've actually got to give the blue gel a little whoosh. So let's just shoot, yeah, whoosh, exactly. Okay.
That's a photo.
We're using hard light. It's shaping out. Now we can think about where the light is on her face, right? So it's coming literally more or less from both sides. You can get her to look one way or the other. This is definitely the warm side, right? And the cool side. So she can work towards the cool, she can work towards the warm. You can mix it up a little bit. That's basically your half and half shot right there.
All right, let's try. Would it make our lives really difficult if she leaned on the wall?
No, she can do anything she wants.
All right, so will the light still hit her? It might not, but we can move it back, right?
Right, so she moves back, and we can see that that light's not hitting her now. Do you want the warm light? I can move it. That
Yeah,
won't have to do everything.
I kind of want it similar, but I want her to be able to like lean
You want her
against-
to work the wall?
Work it.
All right, so we're gonna keep the light more or less the same. So I'm gonna put it in kind of the same positions, but closer to the wall now.
Ooh, you know what? Later, I'm gonna do a Gavin Hoey with the gel in the background.
Oh, Gavin Hoey. Pulling a Gavin. If you want to be really clear, put your foot up on the C-stone like this. Yeah. You can also put your foot up too, so we're all doing it.
Oh my God. All right.
There you go.
Now look at me like you just noticed me. Ooh. Oh, interesting.
Okay, this is fine
It's fine, but
exposure-wise, but I think you're going because the warm gel, by its nature, it's got this, like, her skin tone is warm as well. It's making it feel darker,
Yeah.
especially with the bright light behind her. So we can just turn this light up a smidge, but you're in TTL, right? So we can't just do that here. What we have to do is do it on the controller. We're -2 here on B, so bring it up to let's say -1.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll try that.
Let's try that.
This might be too much, but we'll find out. I find it's always a good idea to go too far. Yeah, that's good.
I like that. You know what? Actually, look if you can. If it's not too hard on your eyes, try looking in, like to have the like the light kind of catch. Like lift up your chin and kind of have your face. Yeah, like that.
I'm curious what that's going to do.
Me too.
No, there's like a weird. Oh, I know what it is. The blue gel has slipped off slightly, and we're getting a little bit of neutral.
Oh, I was wondering why I was
that's what
making the.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay,
There it is.
much better.
I didn't want to set Marissa up for failure or anything.
You're just trying to keep me from taking your job.
That's it. This is a white beauty dish, by the way, which I think works really well for this. You can, get the white when Seth's not around. Otherwise, he takes it because it's his. All right. This might mess with our exposure a little bit, but let's just see what happens.
Yeah, try that. Like, just not completely, but kind of just like look at me, but have your head turned a little bit towards that one. Like, but look at the camera.
All right, there you go. So now you're just basically getting blue shadows and your blue in your shadow, right? If we want more blue saturation, we got to turn the blue light up, which is the A group. And I always said, normally, that sounds wrong because usually saturation is lower power gives you more saturation, which gives you more color, but because it's so underexposed, we're not seeing it on our skin. So bringing the light up a little bit should give us a little more on our skin. It's actually going to make the background light a little bit less blue, but her skin will get more blue.
All right, now I want you to stare down the camera. Like,
I'm also going to turn this a little bit.
Kind of. What that looks like. Oh, it's
Okay.
so dark.
Right, that's dark because I turned the light. Okay, hold on. Let's go to manual. When you start doing a lot of stuff with gels, sometimes it's a good idea to go manual. Try that. Okay, that's too much. Okay, try again. So right here, guys, we're just kind of playing with our balance of power. Yeah. Yeah, if your head's down low, you're going to get lots of shadow. So I think the issue here, even though I told Marissa she could do anything she wanted, our problem is because this white wall is here, we're getting so much reflection from it. So if we want to do that, we can't put the lights exactly how they were. I'm not going to say you can't use the white wall because, you know, I would never do that. I'm just going to change the position of the light. Okay, let's try that.
I did want to get one of her like leaning on the wall.
Go ahead, lean on the wall. So what I'm doing is I'm feathering this light. I like that I'm talking to you, but I'm actually talking to the video, believe it or not. No, you can.
I don't know where to go.
I was like telling her, she's like, really? Oh, sorry, I'm just messing with you. All right, so basically I'm feathering the light so it's not hitting the wall so much. And instead it's hitting her face. Okay, good, that's better. It's just the exposure's not right. All right, so we've got the light off the wall, right? And now she's just underexposed. So that's easy enough to fix. I don't know, Marissa. I'm not sure what you're doing.
I wanted to try it. I didn't know.
I had this so perfect. No, this is a good situation because change some angles here. Hold on, I gotta change the power. Okay, good.
Maybe we'll just do a profile.
Well,
all right. Turn complete. What do you think?
Good.
All right, try turning profile and let's see what that does. But maybe take a step forward. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, take a step like towards this way. Yeah. And now look at that light if you can.
Look into the light, Caroline. So I'm feathering it off the wall a bit, and I dialed it down a smidge because she just came closer to it.
Ooh, okay. So that one's not bad.
That's not bad, right? So we feathered it off the wall, right? Because you were getting, so bring the last picture up so I can talk about what we did. So this is fine, but what was happening was a couple things. The wall was getting too much light on it, I felt like, so it looked like there was light there. And then also you had to move closer, which would have adjusted the power. So what it did was, which was actually a good idea to have her move closer because that made her face like more intense with the light. See how it's blown out here? I adjusted the power down a bit. So now you've got nice, even like kind of bronzy skin as opposed to being orange.
And the wall,
goes darker. She's got a bit of a halo on the wall. That's fine. I would just change your body position a bit. Like I just think you're cut off in a weird spot. And I'm going to bring this up just a tiny, tiny bit. I'm going to bring this up just 2/10. All right, let's get it better. You can do the same pose, but do something different with your hands. Maybe do the...
Yeah, like you can maybe like hold yourself or like, you know, whatever feels good.
Oh, very Avedon.
Right?
And crush your shoulders forward like that.
Yeah, whatever feels natural. Nothing will look bad. Like if it feels natural, just so you know. But whatever poses you do, keep your face towards that light.
And upward.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All right. So we're just gonna try this. See what comes. It goes. See, every time you hear a click, changes something, a little thing. Ooh, yeah, that's good. See, she's a natural. Oh my God. Try full body. Bow. fashion flavor. All right, let's see what these did. Oh, these look pretty good.
Not
oh
bad.
I can't see anything.
You can't because you're blinded.
Oh, because you've been. I so
Right, so the
like
trick
that.
is you never look right at the light, even though Marissa told you to. You look
No,
just
I wasn't-
underneath it.
Yeah, I was looking away from it, but I still barely see.
I just blame Marissa, that's what I usually do. Not bad, right?
Not so bad at all.
Good job, kids.
Oh,
Boy, that was almost Rembrandt lighting on that one.
I kind of like this one.
Oh, look at that.
I look like a stallion.
That's what I mean. Is like sometimes those weird poses just look so good for some reason. Ooh.
Taking the weird poses.
Ooh, so fashion.
You know what, let's see if we can go do that pose one more time. Bring it up to it. I want to look at it.
The stallion.
Yeah, the stallion pose.
The
Yeah.
stallion.
Do that again, and what we'll do is I'm going to bring this light all the way here.
Jawline
we were
sharp as a
sideways.
knife.
Yeah, you know, something like that. You don't have to be
Yeah.
exactly.
Oh yeah. That's good. Should I do it close up or more?
No, however you think looks the best.
I like that long ponytail that she has.
Yeah, me too.
Try both and see what looks better.
Yeah, hold on. So, because of the nature of her hair, it's got kind of a blue tone to it. So the blue is actually kind of absorbing it even more. So I'm cranking the light a little bit. Yeah, there we go. That's it. That looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So I brought the blue to the side. I turned it up more so you'd have more separation.
Oh.
And we can see how it kind of wraps around her now and gives you that so you can see the ponytail and stuff. Because to your eye, of course, that's the hardest part about lighting is that we're just looking at her in the natural light, right? So you see everything, but the light is very dramatic, so you got to know what's in it. So
Yeah.
that by bringing that ponytail in, you can see how much more
That-
detail you have.
Oh, yeah.
And she has this like strip of light that she's in.
I love that.
Yeah.
All right.
Beautiful.
I love these.
She feels good about herself. Do you feel good about yourself?
All right, I have to do the Gavin Hoey.
You feel fine.
I
Okay,
must.
Gavin Hoey. What is the Gavin Hoey
So,
again? Oh, you gotta
Gavin
put the grid in
Hoey
the
is this
background?
amazing photographer.
No, everybody
Shout out
knows
to
who Gavin Hoey is, but what is the
Well, I
Gavin?
mean,
Oh, put the
I've
grid?
also explained it.
Oh, okay.
So Gavin Hoey always does this really cool thing where he has the beauty dish with the grid behind the subject, and it's so
Alright.
cool. Breaking all the rules, but making.
Actually, I shouldn't say that. Not everybody knows who Gavin Hoey is. I'll put a link in the description to Gavin.
You know what? If I do it like this, I can't get it.
There you go.
Oh my god.
Put yourself in the right spot.
Let's see what that looks like. Oh my god.
Okay, so this is fine. Now here's the thing, right? If you're going to put the light behind her like that, we have to
Gotta
we gotta
lower it.
we gotta work the exposure because see how it's overexposed.
So let's lower
And the
it
simplest way to do it, this is why I let you do it, is I'm just gonna grab my exposure slider. Well, actually, because there's no detail there at all. Okay, all right, interesting. All right, so can't even do that. I'm just gonna lower it. I was gonna try to do it all technically, but it's so blown out. I'm gonna drop it down 2 stops. So go into your position. We'll do a test shot, and just stay there, and I'll look at it, and we'll adjust it again if need be. Do you like the light on her face otherwise?
I have to see what it looks like with the actual blue.
Oh, I see.
And then
I see. She has to see what it looks like.
I will know.
You can't determine if you like the light on her face or not. Oh, okay,
so
interesting.
cool.
Yeah. And hold on one second. That's fine. Do you want it to be even
I want it more cool.
bluer? You're not going to
Either
get
make that bluer or make her face less orange, I guess. Or could I move this to like the side of her? Maybe?
Why
So
would
it's-
that do anything?
Oh wait, no. I just want it to be more like less of a flat thing, I guess. Trying to
I
think.
don't know what you mean. What do you mean by flat?
Well, this like I want the lighting on her face to be more interesting, I guess.
You
Interesting.
could do it from this angle if you want, like that, instead of forward, maybe.
Try it.
Like this?
It's always important to try. Well, just do. No,
I
you
have
go to
it
where
from
you were.
here, but I'll
You go to where you were, Marissa, and then she's going to look over here.
Oh yeah, look straight forward. Okay, yeah, let's try that.
Right, because this way we're going to get a different shape. Let's see what it looks like. It's always a good idea to listen to the subject. I mean, it might be terrible, and then you can blame them.
Oh.
What is this? What is this technique?
I'm trying to get it so the thing is like perfectly behind her. All right, could you take a little step for perfect? Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay, it's bluer. Is that interesting to you?
I don't know. I just wanted to try it.
Is that
It's pretty cool. I mean, I just don't. No, I like it. I'm just trying to understand what you mean by interesting. Yeah, yeah. I actually do like that.
That's pretty cool.
It's very cool. Look at you, Marissa, creating a thing. I actually like it with those
If you
small.
want. I don't have to.
Oh man, she's taking her hair down. Now we know it's good.
Yeah.
Do it.
She's like, hold on, let me fix my lipstick.
Yeah, that was good to do it like kind of to the side. I think that kind of fixed it.
All right, let's do it. Last shot. Almost out of film.
You're so pretty.
Oh no.
Hold the reflector too. I'm just curious if Marissa will like this better or not. It's
Putting
hard
the
to say.
reflector on.
Well, you know, you might.
Oh
like
wait, it's in the frame though. Yeah.
It might be too much. Oh no. Oh, and the hair down works as well. Look at that. Teamwork. Marissa's weird
You kind
angle.
of look like a saint. You know how in churches they have like, oh, you should do it when you have like, you close your eyes and you like put your hand on it so it looks like a church. You know how they always have like the Virgin Mary with like the little thing on her? Little-
Wait, like this?
Or like something saintly.
Something saintly, Mia.
Oh, that's a weird angle.
That's a very weird angle.
It is a weird angle. Sorry. Let me
No,
do more
it's
flat
okay.
on.
It's more grudgy.
It's hard with this stand.
No, you ate too much ice cream, or you got a toothache. She's got a toothache going on. She's like, she's trying to decide what to watch on Netflix. That's a better angle, yes.
Although, oh, the
I was
blink.
blinking.
I don't know. It's cool. I just wanted to try it.
Well, do one where she's not blinking because she loves that shot. Except
you
for
like
the fact
it?
that she's blinking.
It is nice.
Yeah, see, she loves it. She loves it.
She love. Does she love it?
See, there she's not blinking. She definitely loves it. Look at that. She's like,
It's just kind of
I
funky.
found a new show to stream, and I'm going to marathon it over the weekend.
Yeah, neato.
Excellent.
Should we? Oh yeah.
Should we what?
Oh, I was gonna do. Should we take some more there, or did we get?
No, I mean, I'm happy. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
I feel like we should take some more.
All right, we'll take some more.
Okay, so we'll take some more, but until that, we're not going to stay here forever. People have been watching for 6 hours already. They've already done. No, if we take some more, we'll put them at the end. I'll put Mia's information in the description, and Marissa's, also Melissa's, and follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer. Be sure to subscribe, ring the bell. That's how you ring the bell? No, it's drums. Bells.
Yeah.
And I'll see you next time. All right, shoot some more. Let's see
Yay.
it.
All right, I'll take some more.